Cook up some hearty wild rice and let's make my cozy autumn wild rice soup. Thanks for tuning in to the French Kiss Cook. We'll start by chopping our onions, carrots, and celery. We'll just put those aside and then half and slice our mushrooms. Then we'll slice our yam, cut them into strips, and then into some small cubes like this. Mince up a few garlic cloves, and we're ready to cook our soup. Start by drizzling some olive oil in your Dutch oven, and when it's hot, add in your rosemary, and then your vegetables. Do not add your mushrooms and the spinach yet because they have a lot of water in them. So to that we'll add the salt and our garlic. Once it's roasted, we'll add our mushrooms, and then our spinach. Stir everything together, and then add in your broth to deglaze the Dutch oven, and then add in the cream. And then your wild rice, stir everything together, and then bring to a boil, put the lid on the Dutch oven, and then bring your heat to low, and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. This soup is so delicious and super comforting. Thanks for watching. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.